Hi everyone, it's Braton here at the Braton Studio, and today I'm going to show you an amazing AI tools. So these AI tools, you can take a single image and use it to create a multiple unique variation of that image in a seconds. So this AI tool is perfect for designer, graphic designer, content creator, or anyone. So if you know you want design, design tutorial, AI tip, tech tip, or digital skill hack, make sure to subscribe to this channel, Braton Studio, so you don't miss any future video. Thank you. So, what exactly is this AI tools? This AI tool was a creative platform that lets you generate, edit, or remix image using a simple text prompt. You can even create video from image, but today we are focusing on its image variation feature, one of the coolest tools. You can do many things. So here is how it works. Let me take you through it. So now just go to any browser you're using, type reve.god.com. This is the name of the word of the AI tools. So let's search for it. So the first thing to do is to register. I have already registered. So that is why it's bringing here. So if you have not registered, you bring it to this in sign up button. So just sign up with your email. That is what, so it will bring it here. So what I'm going to do now is to upload the image I'm going to use for this tutorial. So I'm going to click here, this place. So I'm going to click here and upload my image. So yeah, click on upload file. So I'm going to look for the image I'm going to use. So this is the image. Click on it. So after clicking on it, the image will load. So what I'm going to do is to describe how you want the image to look like. Describe what you want. So I'm going to type the prompt now. So I need to plot the video. I don't want this video to be long, so I want to pause it and write it. So here you go. This is the prompt I wrote for this image. This is what's going to create. So now what I'm going to do now is to click send. So you're going to click here. So you're going to click this button, this arrow button. So click it. So now let's wait for the result. Let's wait for what's going to give us. So you see I create 5 distinct variations of this portrait, even with the unique artist. So this is all what I describe. So you can also copy this, write this prompt if you want to create your own. So I'll put it in the description box, in the description. So you're going to, if you want it, you can be able to write it down. So I asked him to create 5 unique variations. So I create one already. So another one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. Sharp. You see how pretty is it? So you see all the image look similar with the one I upload. So that you see that for that one. Let's do another one. So let's say create import this video. So this prompt I had here, I don't ask him to create any image or to create any image. So only prompt. So I asked him to do create a green forest with growing flower mixed in the air and bird flying. So let's see the result going to give us. So let's go click on send. So let's see. This AI tool is very good for designer or people who need for all this content creator. So very good. So you see what it gave us, exactly what I described for him. You see, wow, this is good, amazing. You see, so what I'm going to teach you now is how to save it. So you can save it in different way. You see that you press and hold it here and click on what? On download image here. So it's going to download to your photo. So the second way to download this token, click on it here and click on this download button here. Let me show you this one here. Click on it. As I click on it, it's going to download. So that is it. That is for today. So it's going to download. So thank you. So if you know you're enjoying this video and want more of this, all these design tutorial, AI tip, tech tip, or digital skill hack, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you will not miss any future video or what is coming next. So I would like to know your thoughts in this video. Which relation is your favorite? So drop it in the comment section. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.